There's really no way I can prove it without revealing my identity and getting myself into more trouble than I have already.
Exactly what's going on up there?
Well, there's several, actually 9 flying saucers, flying discs that are out there of extraterrestrial origin, and they're basically being dismantled.
The Seinfeld Chronicles pilot episode aired on 5 July 1989, a month and a half after Bob Lazar made this flying saucer revelation on KLAS Channel 8. A total of 5 episodes would be delivered through June of 1990, in which the ceiling light in the alcove of Jerry's apartment was translucent white glass. As previously featured here, the very second Seinfeld episode, The Stakeout, which aired on 31 May 1990, makes reference to life after death and Cocoon the Return. That follows Lazar's outing on 10 November 1989. When the show was continued for a second half season in 1991, some key props were added to the set. On the 23rd of January 1991, a new alcove ceiling light appeared in the form of an inverted red saucer. That red dome would be strategically featured from then through the better part of Season 7, so as to foot-stomp overt and hidden Easter egg references to aliens, spaceships, and other paranormal concepts.
So, I had what you might call a little encounter this morning.
Really? That guy who stopped saying hello?
Yes.
You talked to him?
Yes, I spotted him getting his mail, and at first I was just going to walk on by, but then I thought, no. Do not be afraid of this man.
Right.
So I walked up behind him, and I tapped him on the shoulder, and I said, "Hi, remember me?" And he furrows his brow, as if he's really trying to figure it out. So I said to him, "You little phony, you know exactly who I am."
You said, "You little phony"?
I did. I most certainly did. And he goes, "Oh, yeah, you're Jeanette's friend. We did meet once." And I said, "Well, how do you go from that to totally ignoring a person when they walk by?"
This is amazing.
And he says, "Look, I just didn't want to say hello anymore, all right?" And I said, fine, I didn't want to say hello anymore either, but I just wanted you to know that I'm aware of it.
You are the queen of confrontation. You're my new hero. In fact, you've inspired me. I'm going to call George about something right now.
This cantaloupe stinks.